Welcome back children. I hope all you are well and doing great. Today in this video you are going to learn about the balanced diet and deficiency diseases. So let us begin with balanced diet. The food we eat is called diet. A food with all the essential nutrients in right proportion is called balanced diet. We need balanced diet in order to maintain normal growth and development. Our body needs all the essential nutrients but in right quantity. The diet should not contain too much of any one type of component at the expense of other that are ingested in lesser amount. All the components must be present if we are to remain in perfect health. Our diet must include a variety of food items that will provide the necessary amounts of different type of nutrients. For example, it contains protein, fat, carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals and water. So in addition to that, our diet should contain the required quantity of fiber and water. One should always eat a balanced diet according to one's age and nature of work. A person who does not take a balanced diet is prone to illness and diseases. Here are some of the important tips about food which we should follow to remain healthy. We should always have fresh and clean food. It is not wise to overcook food because overcooking will not only result in the loss of important nutrients, it will also drain the flavor. Light steaming, baking and quick stir frying are the best ways to cook vegetables. We should avoid the food that is too oily or spicy because these type of food items contain a lot of calories, fat, salt and these are low in fibers, vitamins and minerals. We should avoid junk food. We should always wash fruits and vegetables before cutting, peeling or eating them because most of them contain bacteria or germs. And it also contains the chemical that the plants treated during the growth, like pesticides and insecticides. We should have a lot of seasonal fruits and vegetables, and we should drink a plenty of water. But merely eating a balanced diet is not enough. The method of cooking also play a very important role. Food should be cooked in such a manner that it can retain the nutritional value without sacrificing the taste. Rice and pulses should not be washed again and again before cooking. And addition of spices, extra water and too much of frying should be avoided. Now we know that we eat different type of foods to remain healthy. For example, our body needs a tiny bit of iodine on a fairly regular basis. But if iodine is missing from our diet for too long, we get a disease called goiter, where the thyroid gland in the neck swells up to size of cricket ball or even larger. And eating onion frequently can obviate goiter since onion contains traces of iodine. Let us now study some of the diseases caused due to the poor nutrition. These diseases are known as deficiency diseases and the condition arising from this is called malnutrition. Malnutrition or malnourishment is a condition that results from eating a diet in which nutrients are either not enough or are too much such that the diet causes health problem. It may involve calories, proteins, carbohydrate, vitamins or minerals. Not enough nutrient is called undernutrition or undernourishment while too much is called overnutrition. Malnutrition is often used to refer to undernutrition, whereas there is not enough calories, protein, or micronutrients. So let us begin with first disease. This is kwashiorkor. Kwashiorkor is caused by deficiency of protein in diet. It mainly develops when the child is not fed protein rich food after 1 year of age. The symptoms of this disease are the child becomes thin and weak, the abdomen and other body parts become swollen, skin becomes scaly and develops crack, growth and brain development stops, loss of muscle mass occur. Prevention of these diseases are the child should be given a protein rich diet. The diet should include soybean, peanuts, wheat, gram, jaggery, fish, meat, etc. Now, marasmus diseases. This disease is also caused by diet lacking in protein and carbohydrate. It usually occurs in the infants less than a year of age when mother's milk is replaced too early by others' food, which are lacking both in protein and carbohydrates. Symptoms of this disease are retarded growth, loss of weight, lean body, projected ribs, sunken eyes, and dry skin. Growth and development of brain stops, and ribs become prominent. Prevention of these diseases are the child should be provided with protein and carbohydrate rich diet. Deficiency disease caused by vitamin A. One of the effect of this deficiency is night blindness. So, due to the deficiency of vitamin A, night blindness is caused. A person suffering from this deficiency has difficulty in climbing stairs and in walking. Deficiency diseases of vitamin B1 is beriberi that affects the nervous system. Beriberi is a disease whose symptoms include weight loss, body weakness and pain, brain damage, irregular heart rate, heart failure, and death is left untreated. Beriberi occurred almost exclusively among the richer members of society and was unknown in the poor. Deficiency disease caused by riboflavin. Riboflavin is otherwise known as vitamin B2, or we can say vitamin B2 is also known as riboflavin. This vitamin is very essential for different type of reaction in our cells. The disease that is caused due to the deficiency of riboflavin is glossitis, mouth cracks at corner, and photophobia. Photophobia is an eye condition where your eyes are sensitive to light. Scaly skin and watering of eyes are some of the symptoms of these diseases. Itching and burning of eyes are also the symptoms of these diseases. Now the disease caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B3 is pellagra. The symptoms of this disease are weakness, poor appetite, and indigestion. Deficiency disease caused by the deficiency of vitamin C is scurvy. And the symptoms of this disease are weakness, anemia, bruising, inflamed pores, bleeding gums, and loose teeth. And the disease that is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D is rickets. Rickets have some symptoms like bones become soft and bent. So in this video we learned about different type of diseases. In next video we are going to start next chapter, that is fiber to fabric. Thank you.